How to fix Google Play Services has stopped after factory reset. Google Play Services error safely, official Play Store methods. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Play Services has stopped error that appears after a factory reset using only official methods from Google and the Play Store. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. After a reset, your phone needs to reconnect to Google's servers. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your connection is weak, reconnect or restart your router. Step 2. Update Google Play Services from Play Store. Sometimes, after resetting, the version of Google Play Services is outdated. Open the Play Store, tap your profile picture, go to Manage Apps and Device, then tap Updates Available. If you see Google Play Services in the list, tap Update. If it's not visible, open the Play Store search bar, type Google Play Services, and tap Update if the button appears. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Official fix. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, Storage, Clear Cache. Then tap Manage Storage, Clear All Data. Repeat this for Google Play Store and Google Services Framework. After that, restart your phone. Step 4. Check date and time settings. Wrong date and time can stop Google Services from syncing correctly. Go to Settings, General Management, Date and Time, and turn on Automatic Date and Time. Step 5. Re-add your Google account. If the problem continues, remove and re-add your Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, Remove Account. Then restart your phone and sign in again with your Google account. Step 6. Update Android System WebView and Chrome. These two apps are required for Google Play Services to work properly. Open Play Store, search Android System WebView, Update. Then search Google Chrome, Update. Step 7. System Update. Open Settings, Software Update, download and install. Install any available system updates. They often include fixes for Play Services errors. Step 8. Factory Reset, last option. If none of these steps work, perform one more clean factory reset. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. After reset, connect to Wi-Fi and let Google Play Services update automatically before signing in. And that's it. These are the 100% safe and official methods to fix the Google Play Services has stopped error after a factory reset. No third-party apps, no downloads outside the Play Store. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more trusted Android tutorials.